Okay, that's what I can.
He's little.
Those trees can be cut in four some.
Yeah, we'll give him a tiny pieces.
They teach you this in acupuncture school. Bring treats.
It helps a lot. Come here. Can I show you something?
Hi.
Come here. Come on. We're gonna be. Come here. Come a little closer. Go. Look at that.
You're just gonna be holding?
Yeah, just kind of be still, I guess.
Is it a collar?
Does he have a collar?
No.
No.
I mean, he has one.
Harness.
Do you want one?
Look, can we pick him up and just?
Yeah.
Sure.
He
There
doesn't
we
really
go.
bite. He doesn't bite, right? There you go.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what we'll do. Yeah, put him. Go ahead.
Hi, little guy.
Okay, we're just do like this. Okay, perf. Okay, perf.
2 hands, 4 paws.
Yeah.
4 hands.
Yes.
4
You want to
paws.
sit down, cutie?
6 hands, 4
Stop,
paws.
stop, stop. Good sit. Good sit. Good sit. Good job.
Good sit. There you go. Nope, can't be bothered.
Filming me? Am I on camera right now?
You're not. Your work is.
Okay.
It's not every day you get to see acupuncture on a 6-pounder.
And I was joking with my acupuncturist that don't charge me as much. Because she goes, how much do they charge for your dog? I said, but I'm easier to handle. I don't need another person to hold
It is
me.
not as, yeah. Well, yeah.
Look at him, he's so calm.
Yeah.
And you didn't even give him the permission needle.
You know what? Sometimes that makes it worse.
Oh,
Call me one?
Yeah, putting it in the head, it depends.
yeah.
There's a lot of nerve endings over there.
Doing good.
I'm just amazed at acupuncture.
Well, I have a picture, just in case, of the before and then December
Oh, yeah.
difference. I can't tell. I'm like, they still look big. One time, from last time to this time. Good boy. Good job. And what's your name?
I'm Lisa.
Lisa?
Nice to
Yeah.
meet you.
Nice to meet you. And nice to meet you.
Yeah, Mocha, this is stuff.
That's
New
Amy.
people.
I'm Lois. And what's your name, doctor?
Dr. Vulgaris.
Vulgaris.
Really good.
When you twist that needle like that, does that kind of activate something, or?
Yeah, we're tonifying points. Yeah,
Oh,
activating.
okay. You look like a little porcupine, buddy. What an amazing study.
Whoop.
Okay, be careful your hands. Be careful your hands. That's okay. Let me get this one. Let me get this one. Okay. That's
There
it.
you go.
There we go. There we go.
The offending needle.
No. You can't do that. It's gonna be bad for everything. Okay. Shh.
Mocha.
Do you want to get a treat for him?
Yeah.
Or her? Yeah.
There's that. One.
There you go.
Hey, you're okay. Shh, 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 shh. Okay, put him down. Put him down.
There you go. How about a treat?
Okay. Everything was very good.